For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients: 125 ml of American honey, bourbon whiskey, 10 ml of olive oil, 200 ml of pure maple syrup, 1 sprig of rosemary, 1 brown onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 spring onions, and 900 grams of chicken wings, free range. The first thing you'll need to do is peel and slice the onion and place into a bowl. Next, strip your rosemary and place that into the bowl. Now finally slice your spring onion and place that into the bowl. Now add your oil, bourbon and maple syrup and stir until combined. Now add your chicken wings and stir through to give an even coating. Now place your chicken wings evenly across an oven dish. Now pour 2/3 of your bourbon mixture over your chicken wings. Place your chicken wings into a preheated fan forced oven on 180 degrees. You'll need to cook for about 35 minutes. Every 10 minutes, you'll want to baste your chicken with your leftover bourbon mix. This can be done easily with a pastry brush. After your wings are cooked, you will need to remove all the liquid and place into a pot with your leftover bourbon mix and bring to the boil. Once your liquid starts coming to the boil, you'll need to stir continuously. Once the liquid is completely boiling, reduce it to a medium heat and reduce the liquid into a goldeny syrupy consistency. Now place your chicken wings into your sauce mixture, turning them over to try and cover the chicken wings evenly. These chicken wings are best served with a drizzle of your bourbon maple sauce over top. You can find a copy of this recipe by following the links below in the description. If you like this recipe, like and subscribe to my channel.